Hey guys, welcome to the next video of web development course. In the last video, we learned how to build our first web page. The link of that video you will find in the description box. In today's video, we will learn what is title tag, how to implement it, some tips and tricks, and what is GitHub. First, we look at the general definition of title. I know everybody knows the meaning of title, but just to recap, I have a good example. I have this book. What is the name of the book or the title? I know everybody knows the answer. It's Practical Programming, and down below, an introduction to computer science using Python. And by reading the name or the title, you get to know that this book is about practical programming with Python. Means you will be learning about Python programming in this book. So the same logic applies to the title tag for HTML language. The title tag will tell you specific information about the web page that you are currently viewing. For example, this is my YouTube channel page and this is a web page, of course, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel. If you can see on the top left corner, just right here, you can see my name is listing. This is the title. This is in the title tag, and the title tag or the title will always present on the title bar of the Chrome, or you can say in the any web browser. So how we can implement this? Let's open VS Code. I think our file is already opened. Yeah, our file is already open and we left from here. So this is the title tag. First I will run this. Open your Chrome in new tab, press Ctrl plus O and open the file. You can see here is the default. If you leave the title empty, your file name will become the title with the extension. So if I want to change that, I have to put some here, like if I control and save, refresh, see how it's awesome. So this is about the title tag. What is the tip for today's video? I have a question for you. How you can open a code file or single file in VS Code? I know your answers. I can show you. Just open your folder where you store your file, and you can simply, the first way, you can simply right click on the file. A pop-up will show up. Click on open with and you can see Visual Studio Code. Click on it and your Visual Studio will open with that file. What is the second way? I just close that file and just simply drag and drop file into the VS Code and your file is open. But what is the best tip for that approach? And I use in every single day of my life. Just first I close that VS Code also. I just close the file and the VS Code. You can see the name which is listed here. Just click on it and it will show you the full path, and in the end you can see there is C. C is local drive, like the ROM of our computer, which is C, and it just made user folder, then Satinder folder, then OneDrive, then desktop, then web development. This is the whole folder, and then write CMD here, CMD, and then press enter. A new black window will come up in front of you. Don't worry about that, but it is called Command Terminal or CMD. Here just write code, CODE, space and dot, and enter. Boom, our VS Code is open with that file. So this is the tip, and I know that you will use in your day-to-day life. And what is the other thing? What is GitHub? Imagine GitHub is like a bucket which is present on the internet and it is available for everybody. You can put any data as a code file or Word file into that bucket, and anyone in the world can easily access that file because it is on the internet. And for the developer reason, it is very important to learn GitHub, because if you are in the interview and you does not know about programming language, like latest programming language, then it will be fine. But if you does not know about GitHub, then it is hard for you. Why is that? Imagine your manager give you some task to do and you write some code. In that situation, you cannot be able to send him code in a zip file in email. Then what is the best approach for that? GitHub. But don't worry, I will teach you about GitHub's basic, which make your hand easy on the GitHub. So if you see that my content is relevant for your future, then you can subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment down any question or any query you have, or if you have any problem, just comment down or message me on my Instagram account. I can definitely solve it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye guys.